G'day again. I'm going to guess that lots of us have been using ChatGPT and various other similar chatbots over the last little while. And what I'm going to look at today is something that is quite interesting because it doesn't appear to be that difficult to embed a bot into your own website. So, for example, we have a Swan Christian College website, and it would be kind of nice if people could go to the website and access the chatbot and just type in something like, when's the next school carnival? And it would just come up and give you the date, things like that. So while our website might be kept up to date, at the moment you've got to kind of navigate through things and find stuff. It'd be real nice if you could just ask simple questions, get simple answers, and get on with your life. So I am going to have a quick look at this thing here. It is called Chatbase.co. Now there's a few of these around there, out there, and this particular one is a real entry-level one, and you would probably just use it for prototyping and things like that. There are some more advanced ones around, and I'm not going to look at them right now. But let's go here. We're going to build a chatbot. We're going to use the free version. So I'm just using my Google account. I think, there we go. I've got a one chatbot limit on the free version. If you go to pricing here, you'll see that the free version is pretty limited, but it gives you a way to experiment with it. And as a hobbyist, you can use it for $19 a month. It could be useful. You could, in fact, point your chatbot to any website and embed it in your own course material or whatever it might be. But anyway, for the moment, I'm just going to go back here and I'm going to go New Chatbot, and I'm going to point it to the Swan Christian College website. Now, one thing that you can do is you can bring up a sitemap. And if you type in sitemap.xml, it will in fact give you a breakdown of your whole site. Now, we have got a lot of pages on this website, right? So we're not going to need most of them. Some of them go right back kind of 6-8 years, and they're not going to be very useful to us in this exercise. But if you were using the paid version, you would go ahead perhaps and get it to search the whole site. For the moment, what I'm going to do is I'll go back here and I'm going to copy that, Command C. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go website. Oh, by the way, you can get it to search files and text and other things as well, so that's kind of cool. All right, I'm going to hit this. I'm going to hit fetch links, and now it's going to crawl through the Swan Christian College website and look for all the links. That's going to take a few minutes, so I shall see you in a minute. All right, 98, 99, 100% nearly. All right, so it's gone through and it's found all those pages, and it's told us how many words are on each page or how many characters are on each page. With the free version of this, it's a lot bigger than I thought it might be. With the free version of this, you're only allowed, I think, 400,000 characters. This has 5,600,000. So I'm going to go through and delete a whole bunch of them, and I might just keep one section. Or maybe I'll just keep Swan Online, and we'll do a little thing on Swan Online, see how that works, because we've got all these community notices that probably go back years and we don't need them anymore. All right, delete, delete, delete. Community, community, community. Actually, you know what? I wonder if I could have just... All right, I'm going to try something else. Sorry to do this to you, but I'm actually going to click on... Let's click on YSwan and select that. And I'll do this again. I know that's a bit of a pain, but just for the sake of it, fetch more links. No, I actually want to start this again, so I'm going to hit refresh, go to website, and this time I'll just go through the YSwan bits. I think this should be pretty quick. All right, so there's just a handful. 54,000. Great. All right, now I'm going to go back. I'm going to add another section. Where's Swan Online? Junior school, senior school. Oh, okay. I'll try senior school and see if that's going to work. Or maybe I'll just go back and I'll try our schools. Command C to copy, go in here. I'm going to fetch more links. Fetch more links, and then maybe I'll call that a day and we'll... All right, we've now got 183,000. All right, that'll do. For the moment, that will do. Now I'm going to hit the Create Chatbot button. And what that's going to do is it's going to use ChatGPT and the information on the Swan Christian College website in these sections of it, in the Our Schools bit and in the Swan Online bit. And here's our chatbot. It's already made it. So like you can see there, I've only got 30 message credits left. That's because I'm using this free account, but that's okay for what we're doing. So I'm just going to say, tell me about Swan Online, and see what it does. That's pretty good. Where do the students come from? That's pretty good. How can I get more information? Hopefully it's going to find this, because I don't know if I... There we go. That's pretty good. Awesome. That's pretty good, isn't it? Okay. What if I want to send my kids to the physical college? They are in years 9 and 12. Okay, it's pretty good. So while that's great for a website like ours, you could in fact point this thing to any website and it will crawl through, find the information for you. And your kids, if you emailed them a link to your chatbot, they could go in and ask the chatbot questions and have this kind of interactive process, which is kind of nice. Now what you can do, of course, is you can grab an embed code. Okay, there's an embed on site button here, so you can embed this into the Swan Christian College website, and people could come in and they could ask, you know, when is the next sports carnival, and because Steve Drew would have put that information up there already, we'll get a quick and accurate answer, and that would make life a little bit easier.